your local weather authority forecast from Chief Meteorologist Chris Yates.
Welcome back. Skies mostly cloudy in central Illinois, though we have had at least a temporary break in some of the clouds. More to follow, though, as we head through tonight. Main focus is on the significant cold that is settling into the region, with some of the worst wind chills expected tonight. Cold weather advisory has been issued area-wide through noon tomorrow, where wind chill values could dip as low as 20 below through a good chunk of the area. Now, currently, the actual ambient air temperature, 9 in Peru, 8 in Galesburg. Meanwhile, we're holding firm in the teens in Peoria and Bloomington, but with a west to northwest wind of 5 to 15, that is dropping wind chill values near to below zero, especially up north, 6 below in Galesburg, feeling more like 7 below up in LaSalle, Peru. We've also got a weak system bringing some light snow to areas to our south. There's a chance that as the back end of this pushes into Illinois, we might get a brief clip from it here along I-74. The air is still very dry, which is why we think the snow is going to have a difficult time reaching the ground. That said, wouldn't rule out a few stray flurries this evening. Any accumulation is not expected to add up to much, kind of more in line with perhaps what we saw on Sunday, off and on throughout the day, with some of those light snow showers and flurries. And another system currently working its way across the Rockies. Doesn't look like much. That is going to emerge into a more impactful system that's going to work its way across the country Tuesday and into Wednesday. Here's what it looks like on surface map. Tonight's system, again, just a chance for some flurries locally, and then the bigger shot of winter weather is going to be pushing its way across the Central Plains and into the Midwest throughout the day tomorrow. Once again, anything resembling impactful snow accumulations will avoid our area completely, staying just to our south. At the local level, quick shot of some flurries. Wouldn't rule them out for Peoria and Bloomington. If you're north of I-74, I think you're going to be hard pressed to find much of any type of snow tonight. And low temperatures dropping down to below zero across the board. 5 below in Galesburg, 3 below in Peru, 6 below in Kewanee. And with a wind of about 5 to 15, that's going to equal wind chill values anywhere from 15 to 20 below zero throughout much of the area, with the worst of these wind chill values likely coming in tomorrow morning, just in time for you to start thinking about heading out the door. So as you bundle up, as you head out the door, heading to school or work, whatever it may be, it is going to be cold with wind chills around 15 below, at least in Peoria. Outside of Peoria, it's going to be about 4 or 5 degrees colder. All right, future track then through tomorrow. Cloud cover is going to continue to push in. Not a lot of excitement. We're just on the far northern fringes of this next system, so it's unlikely we see much of any type of snow with this other than maybe a stray flurry tomorrow night. High temperatures are expected to be in the single digits in the north and west, with mainly some teens elsewhere. As this system pushes on by, the accumulating snowfall starts to wrap up early Wednesday morning. The system continues to move east. There's another little wave cutting across the state that could generate some additional flurries and light snow showers on Wednesday. Once again, looks like most of that may pass to our south. Not much in the way of accumulation here, but areas like St. Louis, 2 to 4, and potentially 4 to 8 once you get across extreme southern portions of the state. Highs on Wednesday into the teens for most, with some single digits back to the north and west. Now, the good news, we've got a big pattern change on the way, and as we enter the weekend and into next week, temperatures, instead of being well below average, will trend well above average, especially by Monday. Brianna?